Welcome back to Flow In with the Vinny's pregnancy vlog. So I'm officially just over 36 weeks. I have one more doctor's appointment left before I have the baby, which is like so crazy to think about. I can't believe how close we are, and we still don't have a name. But I did get to see him in 3D at my last appointment last week, and it was so cute. It's the best 3D I've ever seen. Every time I go get a 3D, we never get to see anything. The baby's facing my back. And even though he was facing my back, he turned just enough that she was able to show me, and I saw his mouth moving and stuff. It was the cutest thing, and it made me so much more excited that he's almost here. So it's been a really crazy couple of days. We just had about a foot of snow fall, which is the most we've had in a really long time, and I love it. Me and Clarence and Cadence, not Sienna, we love the snow. So the snow was really cool. We had a great time. Got to stay home an extra day from work because I was not risking it on the roads, thankfully, because they were pretty bad yesterday when I saw them, and there was a lot of accidents. But also, Cadence has been battling pneumonia, Sienna had a double ear infection, and Clarence has just been sick. So we had the same thing happen around like Thanksgiving time where they were all sick, and now here we are again. It's New Year's and they're all battling something. Thankfully, right now, both of the girls are feeling a lot better, and again, somehow by the grace of God, I have not caught anything, thankfully. No germs. Everyone at my job was sick. I didn't catch it, thank God. And they were sick at home, and thankfully I didn't catch that either. So with that being said, I am in full nesting mode. I want everything cleaned. I'm trying to make sure we have everything that we feel like we need for when the baby first comes. I finally packed my bag. There's a short about that posted on our page. I finally packed our bags. I got everything that me and Clarence need. Last time I took like a duffel bag. This time I'm like, forget it. I'm just taking a suitcase. So I packed our small suitcase. I think it has everything that we need, so I feel pretty comfortable with that. I think it's everything that we need for the baby, because you know when you go to the hospital, when you have a baby, they give you so much stuff. They give you diapers, wipes, pacifier. I mean, they give you so much stuff. So there's not a whole lot that you need for the baby, but I still pack some things. And also, if this is your first time, when you leave the hospital, make sure that you take everything they have, because anything that you leave behind, formula, anything, they just throw it away. So take everything. And so I had my 36-week appointment yesterday, and if you have not made it to 36 weeks, this is the second time I've made it to 36 weeks. There's a test that you have to take once you hit 36 weeks. It's called a Strep B test. Now, normally this is for people that have vaginal deliveries, and I'm scheduled for a C-section. However, in case you go into labor before your due date, they want to do the Strep B test sometimes as well, which is not fun. The Strep B test is a swab of your vagina and then of your anus. So it's not fun. And I had that yesterday, and it's really one of the worst parts about having a baby. That, the gestational diabetes, and it's so quick, but it is so painful. It's like a big old giant dry cotton swab. I mean, it is not fun. I did that yesterday. Results were fine, so we should be good, but hopefully I'm not going into labor before my scheduled C-section date. So outside of figuring out a name, some of the last things that we need to do is I need to get my hair braided, which I have an appointment scheduled for, I have an appointment scheduled for next week, and today I'm going to get my last prenatal massage before I have the baby, which I'm so thankful for. I am in so much pain. I mean, the pelvic pain and the lower back pain has gotten out of control. So I'm super excited to go today and get my prenatal massage, because I can definitely use it. I'm also feeling like I'm noticing a little bit more the girls acting out the closer that we get to the delivery date. First, Cadence was doing really good, and she still is doing pretty good, but she has just gotten so much attitude the last week or so. Really, I feel like since the year started, she's had so much attitude, so much back talking, and even Sienna not really fully knowing what's happening. She's been really out of control too. She's been really aggressive. She's been hitting a lot. She even was biting a little bit. She's been really out of control. And I know she doesn't fully get what's happening, but I feel like she can sense that the change is coming, because we'll point at my belly and we'll tell her baby, baby, so that she'll kind of get it. but I feel like now she is fully starting to get it. She has gotten so clingy. She has gotten very mean and very possessive. Like when she wants me, she only wants me. When she wants my husband, she only wants him. And nobody else can take her, or she is screaming, throwing a fit. I'm wondering if any other moms have dealt with this before giving birth. I mean, because we were already worried about how Sienna would do with a new baby, because she's very possessive and normally, but she's even more possessive right now and more clingy right now. And since she's so young and we can't really explain it to her like we can to Cadence, I'm just wondering how she's gonna feel, because she even saw me and Clarence holding my niece's kids and she was okay with it for about 2 seconds and then she was not. So I'm worried about how she's gonna do when she has a baby at home all the time. So for us, we're really trying to spend a lot of time with them. We're trying to be very patient with them, which is not easy, especially for me right now. This far pregnant, I'm still obviously coming to work, still working every day. I'm gonna work up until the day that I have him because my job does not offer maternity leave. But we're trying our hardest to be very patient. And I don't know that it's always working, but one of the main things that we do is we apologize. If I lose my patience with either of them, even though Sienna doesn't understand, we apologize. We don't want them to feel like just because we're parents, we don't make mistakes. We make mistakes like everybody else. We have to apologize to our kids. There's nothing wrong with apologizing. It doesn't make you any weaker. It doesn't make you any less of a parent. I will apologize to my kids if I'm wrong, and I have been wrong a lot lately. So, yeah, there's a lot happening. So I'm trying to stay positive, trying to stay patient. I'm really trying to rest as much as I can and give my body the rest that it needs, which is not always easy with 2 other kids that want your attention all the time, on top of working my regular schedule and stuff. So it's been a lot, but I know I'm not the only mom who does it. I know there are single moms who do it. So I am thankful, very thankful for everything that my husband does, because he helps me out a lot. Especially now. I mean, I can't even stand up sometimes without his help, especially when I first get up. That pelvic pain is so bad, and my pregnancy pillow feels like it is no longer helping, and I'm sure some other moms feel that way too. And so I'm being excited for our son to get here. I'm almost kind of sad too, because like my pregnancy is almost over, and this is literally my last pregnancy. I'm having my tubes removed. There will be no more mini finnies running around here, and I'm very happy about it, because the pain and dealing with pregnancy is a lot, but I'm also very sad that it's almost over. I'm not going to feel his kicks anymore. He's not going to be with me all the time anymore, and that part gets to me every time, especially knowing that this is truly my last time. So I'm so blessed, because there are a lot of people that struggle with fertility issues, and initially we thought that we were going to struggle with fertility issues. It took me 18 months to get pregnant with my oldest, so I understand like some of the stresses when you're going to fertility clinics, because we did go to a fertility clinic when we were trying to conceive. So thankfully this time was a lot easier. The pregnancy has been a lot easier. I'm so thankful, and I'm so excited to meet my son. I mean, I've never had a son. I'm really excited to meet him. So that's gonna wrap it up for this probably second to last, maybe last at work pregnancy vlog. I'm super excited. It's almost here, and now we really need to find a name, because we're less than 2 weeks away. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and keep looking out for more pregnancy updates. Bye.